Guys, if you want a blue fragrance that makes you smell sharp, clean, and a little bit more mature, as well as you're like having this shoulders up approach that you mean business, you can get this one. This is Kaaf Noah by Ahmed Al Maghribi. So at the start, you do get those citruses and that sharp, clean, out of the shower vibe right away on the opening. And then a little bit later, you do get that floral shower gel type of cleanliness on this fragrance with a little bit of herbal type of smell as well. And then you do get a dry down of this woody, airy, musky type of smell on that dry down. So yeah, this one is like a more darker version of the regular Kaaf by Ahmed Al Maghribi. So this one is a bit more professional, a bit more mature, and a little bit more serious. Performance on my skin is just okay. I get around 6 hours of longevity on my skin and around 1.5 hours of moderate projection. Now, considering the high oil concentration of this fragrance, I expected more longevity. But yeah, I'm getting 6 hours, and I think that's fairly okay for this type of DNA. Do I recommend this fragrance? Absolutely. It is one of those darker blue fragrances, which personally I love. And yeah, this one, scent quality wise, is very, very good, as expected of Ahmed Al Maghribi. So, to be honest with you, there is no reason to not recommend this fragrance to you guys.